Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Welcome to part 2 of my two-part video about selecting and caring for bakeware and cookware. In this video, I'll share the difference between reactive versus non-reactive cookware, oven-safe cookware, and some features to consider when buying cookware, including whether you'll save money buying a set or individual pieces. Depending on the foods you cook, you need to consider whether or not a pan's material is reactive or non-reactive. Reactive means the metal reacts with foods, usually acidic foods like tomatoes, tomato sauce, citrus, and vinegar. Cooking reactive foods corrodes the metal and can give foods a metallic flavor. Aluminum and copper are highly reactive metals. Cast iron is less reactive than copper and aluminum, but acidic foods can remove the seasoning. Non-reactive cookware includes glass, steel, porcelain steel, and stainless steel. Non-reactive doesn't mean stainless steel will not corrode. It depends on the quality of the steel and how you maintain it. While stainless steel is highly corrosion resistant, it's not 100% corrosion proof. These pans, made by the same company and about the same age and usage, illustrates the difference between high and low quality stainless steel. Copper cookware and bakeware are made non-reactive by coating the interior with tin or stainless steel. Aluminum is made non-reactive by coating it with PTFE, anodize, or ceramic. You can cook non-acidic foods in pure copper and aluminum cookware. When it comes to cookware weight, the material and its thickness determines the weight. Some people prefer lightweight aluminum cookware to cast iron and stainless steel. In most cases, cast iron cookware of the same size weighs considerably more than aluminum. Stainless steel cookware is not necessarily heavier than aluminum. Stainless steel is stronger than aluminum, so the material can be thinner and the handle hollow. Glass has the lowest material density, but it's usually thick and heavier than other materials. Copper has the highest density and can be heavier than aluminum or steel cookware. Steel is twice as dense as aluminum, so in most cases, steel cookware is heavier than aluminum. When it comes to cookware that's oven safe, you need to ask, do you need oven safe cookware? Many professional cooks and chefs finish cooking a recipe in an oven to prevent overcooking. Foods cooked on both a stove and oven include ossobuco, baked beans, fish and seafood, steaks, and fluffy pancakes. Foods cooked in an oven can require temperatures over 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cast iron is oven safe to 500 degrees and higher. Uncoated steel cookware is oven safe to 400 degrees or higher, but thin cookware can warp at high temperatures. Some non-stick aluminum skillets with metal handles are oven safe to 400 degrees. Skillets and pans with plastic handles are oven safe between 350 to 375 degrees. You only need oven-safe cookware if you intend to place it in a hot oven. The easiest way to save money is by only buying what you need. Most cookware and bakeware sold in the U.S. is made in China. Is a $100 steel pan made in the USA superior to a $30 pan made in China? It depends on the quality of the steel, the processes used to make the pan, and workmanship. One way a company can increase profits is by using lower quality materials and processes regardless where it's made. Consumers have no control over the materials and processes used. Even 100-year-old brand names can have lower quality than they had decades ago. Many limited lifetime warranties have enough loopholes to make it impractical and expensive to return defective cookware. So what should you look for when buying bakeware and cookware? Non-stick coatings have the advantages of easier cleanup and requiring less oil or fat. Disadvantages are they can chip and peel, foods can stick, they require non-metallic utensils, and useful life is less than uncoated cookware. You should consider how handles are attached. This smooth interior is achieved by attaching the handle with a screw. This design simplifies cleaning. Over time, the screw can corrode or become loose. Spot welding also provides a uniform, easy-to-clean interior. This handle is attached by 4 spot welds. Weld reliability depends on the quality of the weld. Another common handle attachment uses rivets. Handles are attached using 2 or more rivets. Rivets can loosen over time, allowing liquids to leak and food to be entrapped. Another thing to consider is lid materials. A long time ago, lids were steel or stainless steel and would last a lifetime. Today, many pots and pans have glass lids that allows you to see your food cooking. This lid has a stainless steel knob attached using a screw. Older style lids were all glass. Chipped glass can crack, and dropping it on a hard surface can break it. Today, many lids have a plastic knob or handle. Plastic handles can be handled without using a pot holder or towel. Plastic is not as durable as steel and can fail long before glass or metal lids and pans. Unlike long metal handles that can remain cool enough to handle barehanded, metal lid handles can quickly exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit and cause serious burns. Some people believe this is a design defect and leave negative reviews because lid handles became too hot to handle. All metals are good heat conductors. Unlike metal, plastic is an insulator. You may believe plastic handles remain cooler than metal handles during cooking. That belief is false. Plastic handles can become as hot or hotter than metal handles. The reason you can hold hot plastic handles with your bare hand is due to plastic's poor thermal conductivity. Even though stainless steel is one of the worst thermal conductors among metals, it shines compared to plastic. The reason you don't burn your hand when holding a hot plastic knob is due to its poor thermal conductivity. Aluminum is about 10 times more thermally conductive than stainless steel, so it heats up and cools down fast. When buying pots and pans with all metal handles, you'll need a good pair of pot holders or a heavy towel to handle them when hot. Whether you spend $100 or $1,000 on a set of cookware, it will last longer with proper use and care. With proper care, a $30 cast iron skillet can last generations. To prevent rust, cast iron must be seasoned. Washing in hot soapy water or cooking acidic foods can remove the seasoning. Never wash cast iron in a dishwasher, and if necessary, apply a thin coating of vegetable oil to prevent rust. Coated and uncoated aluminum should also be hand washed. It protects nonstick coatings and prevents discoloring bare aluminum. You may prefer stainless steel because it's advertised as dishwasher safe. Stainless steel should also be hand washed to protect the finish. Hand washing is recommended in the instructions. Dishwasher detergents not only damage aluminum and stainless steel, it can etch glass like the measuring cup on the right. Some people believe cooking with electric coil smooth tops requires perfectly flat bottom cookware. A buyer wrote a 1-star review and returned a pan because the bottom was not flat. The pan was returned without even trying it. Unfortunately, the buyer did exactly what the cooktop manual recommended. Good luck finding a flatness spec or perfectly flat, affordable cookware. Manufacturers don't specify flatness because most consumers don't have the tools to measure flatness. This pan's bottom is not flat. It is slightly concave. Does that mean it won't work? It depends on your stove or cooktop. This pan is bowed 1/4 millimeter at the center. Gas burners don't require flat bottoms. 4 cups of water came to a rolling boil in 9 minutes with the lid on. My portable induction cooktop is also not flat. It has a 0.1 millimeter gap at the center. It brought the same 4 cups of water to a rolling boil in 6.5 minutes versus 9 minutes using gas. Since it worked on an induction burner without 100% contact, I see no reason why it would not work on an electric smooth top. If you own an electric smooth top and are concerned about flatness, check how long it takes to bring water to a boil compared to your other pans. The manufacturer claims it works with glass and ceramic burners. What I did notice with this pan was my induction burner left water stains my gas burner did not. Some styles of cookware are more efficient than others depending on your cooking surface. If you own an electric smooth top, the most efficient cookware is aluminum and stainless steel with disc bases, like this steel pan. Less efficient are clad stainless steel pans. You should avoid thin aluminum grill and griddle pans and cast iron. You can use just about any pan on a gas stove. Stainless steel pans with disc bases tend to be less efficient than clad pans. For induction burners, all cookware must be magnetic. If a magnet sticks to the bottom of the pan, you can use it on any induction burner. When it comes to bakeware, the most reliable is light-colored aluminum or steel. Less reliable is glass and dark-colored steel. Finally, should you buy a set of cookware or individual pieces? Buying a set of cookware can save you money if the set has what you use most often. A set is not a bargain if it has several pans you'll never use. For example, I prefer non-stick skillets to stainless steel skillets. Buying a set of stainless steel cookware with 2 or more stainless steel skillets may not be a bargain. This set has 1 skillet and a steamer. I steam vegetables and can use the steamer. Buying this set saves me money even if I rarely use the skillet. And keep in mind, each lid counts as 1 piece. This 10-piece set has 5 lids. If you only cook occasionally, you can get by with a few good quality pots and pans. If you can, buy the best quality you can afford. It will save you money long term. Avoid low-cost, discount store cookware. It will cost you more in the long run. Skillets come in a variety of sizes. I use all these sizes, but if you only cook occasionally, select 1 or 2 that will meet your needs. The same with pans and pots. If you're cooking for 1 or 2, a 1 to 3-quart pan may be all that you need. If you're cooking for a family, you may want to consider a 5, 6, or even 8-quart pot. I hope you found the information in this video informative. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating!